Imagine that you get an HP logic analyzer for free, but you can't power it on because it needs a very specific type of power cable. The solution for this, surprisingly often, is this Dutch webshop called AlleKabels. And I recently used them, and here is a video of my experiences. An old friend recently slipped me one of these HP Windows-based logic analyzers, the mainframe system. And as you see here, there is a little notch in the power cord. And this notch here can make some troubles and requires a special power supply, or rather power cable. First things first, here we see the prices. The Apparatsnör, I used Google Translate to buy it, sorry for my pronunciation, is the cable, and the Apparatstecker is the little plug. And yes, because I'm based in Hungary, I have to pay Hungarian tax, as in tax for being a Hungarian. And this is what you see here, the shipping cost. So on this order, practically the shipping cost is almost higher than the price of the products. So yes, it does make sense to ask your friends before you make an order, because maybe you can gang up. And here we have the actual box, which they shipped me. So in we go. As we see, they shipped from the Netherlands. And here we see what we got. We got these two cables here. One like this, one straight with the snout. And then we also got two of these, where you can build your own cable. And the proof, as always, is in the pudding. So here we go. We plug it in and we see that it mates perfectly. So we found a way to get this thing the power which it needs, and we can bring it online and play around with it at a later date. And the second thing is something which I like a lot, where if you have a cable, a plug which is strong enough, you can use one of these to basically adapt the existing cable. And I will just quickly take a look into one of them for all those of you who have never seen one of these before. Here we've got this wrapper thingy here, the container screw. We open that, and then in here we have the two contacts and also the strain relief for the cable. And then when you put it together again, you can just ram it right into the analyzer. And with that, I'm very thankful for your attention, and also big thanks to my follower on Instagram who suggested this for me. I hope this was interesting, and see you soon. Bye bye.